are a few key things at play. The most immediate concern is ongoing conflict and political instability in several countries.
Right.
This obviously disrupts economic activity, discourages investment, and leads to humanitarian crises.
It's heartbreaking to see how these conflicts derail development and impact people's lives.
Absolutely. Beyond those immediate challenges, the region also grapples with high poverty rates, limited access to education and healthcare, and weak infrastructure. These are long-standing issues that require sustained effort to address.
It's a lot to contend with. And then there's the impact of climate change, which we know is hitting sub-Saharan Africa particularly hard.
Yes, climate change is exacerbating existing challenges, intensifying droughts, leading to food insecurity, and displacing populations. It's a major concern that needs urgent attention.
It sounds like a very challenging situation, but are there any positive developments or opportunities that the report highlights?
Despite these challenges, there are definitely pockets of resilience and potential in sub-Saharan Africa. The report points to the region's young and growing population as a potential source of dynamism.
Okay. If countries can invest in education, healthcare, and job creation, they can harness the energy and talent of their youth to drive economic growth.
It's about unlocking that demographic dividend we hear so much about.
Exactly. Another promising area is the expanding digital economy in many African countries. Mobile technology is spreading rapidly, creating opportunities for businesses, financial inclusion, and even government services.
It's fascinating how technology can sometimes leapfrog traditional development paths, but I imagine there are still challenges in bridging the digital divide and ensuring everyone benefits from these advancements.
Absolutely. There's still a lot of work to do to ensure that everyone has access to affordable internet and the skills to thrive in a digital economy.
So a lot of potential, but also a lot of work to do. Okay,
Yeah.
we've now journeyed through the global economy region by region. What are some key takeaways our listeners should keep in mind from all of this?
I think the biggest takeaway is just how diverse the global economic landscape really is. Each region faces its own unique set of challenges and opportunities shaped by internal factors and global forces. It's like a giant puzzle with each piece interconnected and influencing the others.
Exactly, and it highlights the importance of understanding these nuances and not resorting to simplistic generalizations.
We need that nuanced perspective to make sense of this complex world.
Absolutely. And as we transition into the final part of our deep dive, we're going to shift our focus from understanding the challenges to exploring potential solutions.
Intriguing what's on the agenda for part 3.
We'll dive into one of the most compelling chapters in the report, which focuses on the transformative power of public investment.
So not just understanding the problems, but exploring how we can actively shape a better future.
Exactly. Stay tuned for part 3.
Welcome back for the final part of our deep dive.
Into the Global Economic Prospects Report.
We've explored the global economic